Activity class 7th standard diseases. My name is K. Venmati. I am going to say about coronavirus. Coronavirus disease is caused by a SARS-CoV-2.
My name is Kadirvel. Point about COVID. Coronavirus is an infection disease. Coronavirus also known as COVID-19. It is spread very fast. The main symptoms of coronavirus are difficult to breathe.
My name is K. Danita. My topic is flu. Flu attack the lungs, nose, throat.
My name is Sheena. Now I'm going to tell about octopox virus, monkeypox. Monkeypox virus is a species of double-stranded DNA virus that caused mpox virus in human and mammals. It is found in Central Africa. Thank you.
My name is Yasmuthan sir. My topic is rabies, a deadly viral infection that spreads through people from the saliva of infected animals. Rabies usually transmitted from the bite of an animal, example, stray dogs, cats